The 2027 Kia Seltos is coming with some genuinely shocking strengths and fatal flaws that could turn what looks like a smart buy into a decision you'll regret. If you're shopping in this segment and tired of vehicles that look great in ads but let you down, knowing where this Kia shines and where it falls short could save you a costly mistake. Most people assume small SUVs mean slow engines, cramped back seats, and weak warranties, but the 2027 Seltos is going to be coming with a turbo engine that hits 60 in 6.9 seconds, cargo space that embarrasses larger rivals, and a 10-year powertrain warranty no competitor in this class is going to match. Let's start with the positives. Number 5. Strong optional turbo engine. Here's the problem most subcompact SUV buyers are running into. The base engine looks fine on paper, but the moment real power is needed, merging onto a highway, overtaking a truck, it falls completely flat. The 2027 Kia Seltos is going to be solving that with one of the best optional powertrains in this segment. The turbocharged 1.6-liter is producing 195 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic. 0 to 60 is happening in 6.9 seconds, a figure most rivals aren't getting close to. The engine pulls cleanly. All-wheel drive comes standard with this powertrain, and the gap between it and the base engine is wide enough to feel like a completely different vehicle. So, the Seltos is going to be one of the quickest in class, but raw speed means nothing without comfort, and the next strength is going to make an equally strong impression. Number 4. Surprisingly spacious and comfortable. Anyone who's crammed into the backseat of a subcompact SUV for a road trip knows how that story ends. Knees against the seat ahead, elbows fighting for the armrest. A cargo area so tight the luggage becomes a puzzle before the first stop. The Seltos is changing that in a way most buyers won't expect. The boxy roofline gives the Seltos one of the most spacious cabins in this class. Front and rear passengers are both getting real head and legroom, not the kind that works for kids but leaves adults bracing against the headliner. The cargo area stands out even more. 26.6 cubic feet behind the rear seats and 62.8 cubic feet folded, numbers that embarrass larger rivals. The suspension is well sorted, absorbing road imperfections cleanly while keeping the Seltos settled at speed, better than many pricier rivals. The space and ride quality are impressive, but if you think that's the full extent of the value argument, wait until you see what Kia is packing in here. Number 3. Lots of features for the money. One of the most common frustrations with small SUVs is that by the time you add what you actually want, heated seats, wireless charging, a decent safety suite, the price has climbed so far past the base sticker that the value proposition collapses. The Kia Seltos is handling that problem differently. Starting in the mid-20,000s, the Seltos is already coming with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 10.25-inch touchscreen, automatic emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Many rivals are reserving that checklist for higher trims. Moving up adds heated seats, wireless charging, a power liftgate, faux leather upholstery, and a Bose audio system. The SX trim, topping out just under $33,000, feels considerably more loaded than its price suggests. In a class built on compromises, the Seltos is a value leader. The Seltos is stacked with features, but a spec sheet means nothing if the cabin looks like a budget rental car, and this is where the next strength matters most. Number 2. Stylish interior. Spending $25,000 to $33,000 and sitting inside something that looks assembled from bargain bin plastics is one of the most deflating experiences in car buying. The Kia Seltos is making sure that's not what buyers are walking away with. On upper trims, a seamless glass panel runs 2/3 across the dash, housing both screens in one coherent display. Even on lower trims, the layout is organized rather than cluttered. Material quality throughout is consistently solid, above what this price range normally suggests. The SX adds ambient lighting that pulses with music, a detail found on vehicles costing much more. Step inside the 2027 Seltos and the impression is of a cabin that belongs alongside something far more expensive. The interior looks the part, but that stops mattering the moment a repair bill lands, which is exactly what the final Pro is going to be protecting you from. Number 1. 10-year warranty. Ask any owner who's faced an unexpected transmission replacement at 85,000 miles and they'll say the same thing. The warranty is the part of the purchase that matters most, and it's the part most people think about last. The 2027 Kia Seltos is going to be taking that anxiety almost entirely off the table. Kia is backing the Seltos with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, the most generous in the industry. Bumper-to-bumper coverage runs 5 years and 60,000 miles, ahead of most competitors. This is a decade of financial protection concentration on the most expensive components in the vehicle. And in a segment where most brands offer far less, it's going to be tipping decisions in Kia's favor. For anyone planning to keep their vehicle past the 100,000-mile mark, this warranty alone is going to be a decisive reason to choose the Seltos. Now for the cons, and the 2027 Kia Seltos has a few that deserve your full attention. Number 3. Slow base engine. Every driver knows the moment. You need to merge, the gap is closing fast, you press the accelerator, and nothing happens quickly enough. With a weak base engine, that feeling stops being occasional. It's going to be a regular part of life in the 2027 Seltos if you're going with the base 2.0-liter four-cylinder. This engine produces 147 horsepower, paired with a CVT, with 0 to 60 taking around 9 seconds, which is near the bottom of the class. Any situation requiring quick acceleration is going to expose these limits fast, and the CVT compounds things by keeping revs high during hard pulls. Fuel economy is the saving grace. 29 miles per gallon combined is genuinely good, but that isn't compensating for a powertrain that feels underdone daily. The turbo is the obvious fix, but it only comes on upper trims, therefore buyers at the lower end are going to be stuck here. A slow engine is a problem you can solve by upgrading, but the next con is going to be there regardless of which engine or trim you pick. Number 2. Sound insulation. After a long highway stretch, the last thing any driver wants is to feel like the cabin was a wind tunnel. Noise fatigue builds fast. In the 2027 Kia Seltos, the outside world is going to be getting in more than it should. At lower speeds, tire and road noise are coming through the floor with enough presence to distract. Step onto the highway and wind noise is going to take over, audible enough to make long drives noticeably less pleasant. Push the base engine hard and it adds its own layer. Rivals like the Mazda CX-30 are doing a measurably better job with acoustic insulation, and therefore anyone with significant highway mileage should factor this in before committing. The noise is going to affect every Seltos buyer, but turbo buyers specifically are running into a second problem on top of it, one that shows up at every fill-up. Number 1. Thirsty turbo engine. Choosing a more powerful engine usually comes with a modest efficiency trade-off, but most buyers expect to land somewhere near the class average. In the 2027 Kia Seltos, the turbo is going to be delivering a penalty that goes well beyond modest. The EPA rates the turbocharged 1.6-liter at 25 to 26 miles per gallon combined, well below the 29 to 31 miles per gallon several competitors return. The base engine delivers 29 miles per gallon combined, a gap that compounds steadily over time. On a highway run, the turbo Seltos isn't going to be climbing much above 32 miles per gallon. For performance-focused buyers, that trade-off will feel worth it. But for anyone watching the pump as closely as the sticker price, the thirsty turbo deserves serious thought before committing to the top trim. The 2027 Kia Seltos is landing as a well-rounded option in a demanding segment, and the case for it is hard to dismiss. The optional turbo is turning this crossover into one of the quickest in class. The cabin is going to surprise with space and style, and that 10-year powertrain warranty is going to protect your investment the way no direct rival can match. But every strength is coming with a counterpoint. The base engine is going to leave buyers wanting more. The sound insulation falls short of what the package deserves, and the turbo's fuel economy penalty shows up at every fill-up. Go turbo and prioritize space, style, and long-term peace of mind. And the 2027 Seltos is going to be making a compelling argument. Choose the base engine, and the competition deserves a hard look first, because in a segment this crowded, every weakness matters. With all its strengths and weaknesses, the 2027 Seltos remains one of the better options in the class. However, there are a few rivals that seem to offer a bit more, and the Mazda CX-30 you can check out in our next video is one of them. From interior quality that punches way above its class to segment-leading handling and performance, the CX-30 remains the most inspiring option in this practicality-focused class.